Hey everyone, I just wanted to check in here with a quick little garden recipe, mostly garden recipe. But I realize sometimes we need some incentive to eat the things we grow or the things that we get from our community supported agriculture, or CSA boxes, as is the case with me here and this lovely delicata squash that we got from our CSA. I admittedly, I love growing vegetables. I love getting farm fresh vegetables, and sometimes I find it hard to always know what to do with them in enough time. This is a quick recipe I threw together, which is simply just some chopped squash. Please use 2 hands when chopping vegetables. And you just chop up the squash into sort of like little medallions, put some olive oil in a pan, and then throw the squash, or zucchinis if you prefer, into the pan so that everything's covered with a bit of oil. Add a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. I used halloumi cheese for my partner, and I used fake vegan cheese for myself because I'm allergic to dairy, so do whatever you gotta do there. Also shredded up some of these cute little squash just to add a bit of texture and flavor to the dish. And then the final step was to add another cheese layer over top. And then to further season that as you like, I put a bit of smoked paprika on the top. So salt, pepper, smoked paprika, cheese. Throw everything in the oven and set it to about 425 degrees for about 15 or 20 minutes, or until you get the... Right, I forgot this part. Cracked crackers. I just got some Triscuits and cracked those on top. I had put everything in the oven, and then I forgot this part, and now I forgot it while doing the voiceover too. But add some breadcrumbs or Triscuits to add a bit of texture to things. Then you set the oven to about 400, 450, somewhere in that, basically with the broiler on so the cheese melts on top. I do that for 10 or 15 minutes and then lower it down to about 350. We have a gas range, so I keep it on the lower side just because it's small and gets hot quite quickly. And then you'll see after about 35, 40 minutes, this is what you get. First try was a little bit burned around the edges, so you could probably dial back that broiler time a little bit. And then to complement this dish, simply just got some chicken thighs, some enchilada sauce, and basically just did a low simmer of the chicken on with the enchilada sauce. I like taking meat and adding something simple to it. I don't like adding a ton of different things to my food. I like to keep it simple so that it's fast and easy. I will say all of this turned out a lot better than I thought it did. The chicken we just did on low for, I think, about 25 minutes, just simmering on the stovetop. And then there's the vegan cheese and the real halloumi cheese versions, and there's the final finished product there. This was delicious. It cost next to nothing. Good luck eating up all of your wonderful summer produce.